I should make a pie. That's how you know it's pie time. I'm back? I'm not back. This is a one-off thing and we all know it. I don't know why I decided to make pie. I don't know why I decided it would be a good video idea. But you know what? We're gonna make a pie. Now, what kind of pie, you ask? It's gonna be a pumpkin pie, yeah. So I have no idea if I have all the ingredients or not, honestly. I just looked up the easiest pie recipe I could find. We're not making our own crust for those asking. We're doing that. So I hope I have everything. But I mean, here's what I got. I got the canned pumpkin. I got the sweetened condensed milk. I don't know what those words mean. I got the ground ginger. Apparently we're gonna put ginger in it, which seems odd to me, but I don't cook. I've made brownies like twice. We've got ground cinnamon. Don't ask what happened to the bottle. We've got pumpkin pie spice. That one makes the most sense to me. And then we've got ground nutmeg. Now this one's in a glass jar because these fucks at Walmart didn't have them in the little plastic shits. We got our utensils, you know, with the bowl, the pie crust. I've got some eggs over here, if you can hear that. And then of course we've got our dill weed. We're not putting that in the pie. We're just gonna let it sit here. And it's just gonna sit there. The ingredients also call for salt. I've got salt. So the first step, preheat the oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Prepare a pie crust in a pie plate. I hope that I can bake it in this thing, because I mean, you can, right? Like, you can. In a medium-sized mixing bowl, I hope that's medium-sized. Whisk together. Whisk. I don't know if I have a whisk. Oh yeah, baby. Good news, guys. I've got a whisk. We're gonna whisk together the pumpkin, sweetened condensed milk, eggs, spices, and salt until smooth, and then we're gonna pour it into the thing. This has 4 steps, and then one of them is cool completely before serving. So this is gonna be really easy. I'm gonna fuck it up. Oh, a can opener. Shit. Oh again. Good news, guys. I've got a can opener. I don't know how I've survived this long on my own. Is this how you use a can opener? I hope. Oh, I think this is how you use a can opener. Oh no, this is definitely not how you use a can opener. Wait, am I going the wrong way? Okay, I think I was just going the wrong way. Oh, we're opening a can. Ugh, that smells very pumpkin-y. Some of you may be wondering, Ethan, you've been gone for a long time. How are you? And to that, I would say, shut up. You don't care. Now, if you're wondering, you know, why pumpkin pie? Why would you make pumpkin pie and not like pecan pie or pecan pie or poop pie? I don't know. I just thought it'd be cool to make pumpkin pie and it seemed easy. I don't know. So most of the pumpkin is out of that now. Okay, so there's pumpkin. So we're gonna add, I was about to say we're gonna add the dry first, but I don't know if the pumpkin counts as a liquid or a dry. So we're gonna fucking add the condensed milk. Am I doing the whole thing of this milk? I'm doing the whole 14 ounces of this milk, guys. Oh my god. It's cum. It's cum. Oh my god. The milk is cum. This is a cum pie. Oh, it's cum. Oh, that's gross. Oh, this is foul. It doesn't smell bad or anything. It's just, oh my god. We eating cum, boys. Oh. So we've added the milk. We need to do 2 eggs. So I bought these eggs like 6 months ago, probably. And I've never used any of them, so I hope that that these are good. Oh, I hope these are good eggs. Oh. So the eggs are in there. For half of this video, I'm just gonna be making the face of, and I'm just gonna be fucking disgusted with everything that I'm doing. Okay, so here's where it gets tricky and fucky. So I need 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Now what the hell is a teaspoon? That's a tablespoon. This is a teaspoon. Open the cinema. Give me the cinema. Sealed for freshness. Sealed to be a pain in my ass. Oh! Yeah, this is a bad idea. This is a bad idea. This is a bad idea. I'm not gonna do it like this. I don't want this pumpkin pie to be overly cinnamony now. Oh no. Fuck off. Okay, you know what? It's gonna have just a little bit more cinnamon than it might need. Oh, it's too late now. 1/2 teaspoon of ground ginger. Now here's where things get weird, because I don't know if I've ever heard this like needing ginger before. But of course I've never baked. I've never even attempted the feat. Okay. Maybe this will come out nice and slower. Oh no. No, it's not doing that at all. Oh jeez. Oh no. It's in. You know, I'm reading through the ingredient list, and you know, before I went to the store, I looked at several different recipes, and I just decided on this one because I couldn't be fucked. This recipe does not call for pumpkin pie spice at all. So we're just gonna hope that it'll be okay. It also doesn't call for sugar. I hope this is a good recipe. Okay, so now we're gonna add the nutmeg in the fancy glass. That nutmeg has a strong aroma. I always found these glass jars to be for people that like actually bake, you know? I'd say that's enough. I've got the salt, and everything in the bowl is melting into each other, and it's really weird and creepy. Okay, and now we whisk them together. So Ethan, why haven't you been on YouTube recently? What other stuff I've been doing? I don't know if you heard, but I saved Obama. Yeah, we were golfing in Cuba. We were smoking cigars. We were, you know, drinking whiskey. We were enslaving the poor people there. We were doing all kinds of good stuff. So he starts choking on his liver and onions that he's eating. I guess he likes liver and onions. So he starts choking on his yacht on these liver and onions. So I do the Heimlich on him, you know? I save his life. And so then he gave me $1 million. Well, he offered to give me $1 million. I said, no, I'd rather work for my money as a true American. And he said, Ethan, I respect it. And so that's the story of how I saved Obama. So it looks like the mix is mixed. So we are going to start unraveling the pie crust. Okay. So I have no idea if this is too much fucking batter, mix, I don't know what you want to call this stuff, but hopefully it's not, and it all fits in here. If not, we're gonna have some issues. Oh yeah! That's pretty good. But my pie crust is full. So we are just gonna put this thing in the oven. Bake in a 425 degree oven for 15 minutes. Reduce temperature to 350 degrees. Continue baking for 35 minutes. So know it's done when you can tap the middle and it doesn't jiggle. That's a lot of management. That's a lot of time management right there, actually. Well, in the oven it goes. The pie is in the oven. So I thought we would talk for a second. First of all, some fun questions. The one and only question I have is, Ethan, who do you hate the most? It's Kyle. Just wanted to let any new viewers know. I have a Discord, me and then my buddy Zach. He streams on Twitch, twitch.tv/ZachForPresident. You should definitely go check him out. Please join. I have a god complex, and so I need little pawns to like move around, and I want to make them fight, and then make them kiss, and then make them come, you know. So I want to, you know, control my little peons, if you know what I mean. The impulse to ejaculate comes from the spinal cord. No brain is needed. I could have told you that. Fun fact, the average penis is 6 times the size of yours. On average, American teenagers lose their virginity at age 17. But I'm 20. Pie time. Here it is. It came out pretty good, I think. We'll have to see how it tastes, but it looks fine. It's got some like bubbles at the top. I don't know if those are supposed to be there or not, but it exists. I've made it. I'm pretty excited. Oh man, where do we begin? So it's been probably like 4 hours maybe since I made the thing. I am terrible at cutting stuff like this. I've killed it. Anyway, what do people say here? Cunt. Pumpkin pie. At the end of the day, it's pumpkin pie. It's really simple, apparently. It wasn't as big of a fuck up as I thought it was. You know, it is a little burnt around the edges. You know, everybody's oven is different, at least from what I've heard. And you know, that's I'm gonna blame it on that. Yeah. You know what? I'm gonna blame it on that. I did not fuck it up. Anyway, that's gonna just about wrap it up for this video. Link to the Discord, you know where it is by now. I don't need to tell you where. It's down below. It's one of the links that's down below. It'll say Discord on it. I have a Twitter. I have my YouTube Twitter. I don't know why I have it, but I have it. Thanks for watching, and remember, cut your tongue.